The federal government has reaffirmed its commitment to protecting lives, safeguarding religious freedom, and restoring security nationwide following a plenary session of the Nigeria-United States Joint Working Group (JWG) held at the office of the National Security Advisor, Abuja. The meeting convened to address Nigeria's designation as a country of particular concern by the United States, underscored renewed bilateral resolve to strengthen security cooperation, intelligence sharing, and civilian protection. Briefing journalists after the session, the Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, said the engagement marked the third high-level meeting with senior U.S. officials since November 2025, describing it as evidence of a serious and results-driven partnership, noting that the collaboration is focused on outcomes that directly impact the safety and well-being of Nigerians. The Joint Working Group session was co-chaired by the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, and the United States Under Secretary of State for Political Affairs, Alison Hooker. According to the minister, cooperation with the United States has already translated into measurable operational gains. He said Nigerian security agencies are working closely with U.S. counterparts through intelligence sharing and operational coordination, strengthening ongoing efforts such as Operation Hadinkai in the northeast and Operation Fasan Yama